Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in Revive Reds. Maybe you want to boost your metabolism, you want to have more energy, you want to be awake during the day, improve your circulation, your heart health, etc., etc. Maybe you just know you're not eating like you should, having too many chicken tenders. I've fallen into that trap as well. And you need some reds, you need some beets in your diet, you need some pineapples, some strawberries, all the good things. Well, guess what? Dr. Kara went ahead and formulated a great drink, mixed berry flavor. It tastes fantastic. You're gonna love it. And this stuff is really, really potent with, your best vitamins and minerals, all the stuff, your polyphenols, everything that you're gonna want in your diet. Now they mix this in with a lot of stuff, like green tea extract, etc., to where it absorbs into your body really well. It gives you that little energy boost that you want. And you know what? This stuff is absolutely delicious. So that's something that Dr. Kara really wanted, is he spared no expense in sourcing the greatest plants on the planet from all around the world to give you high quality nutrients. You can read the ingredient list. I don't need to do that for you. It's got tons of stuff in it that are really, really good for you. But then he went ahead and formulated it in a manner that was really good for you. Now, you put it in a powder because that powder is going to be easiest for your body to digest and you can get the most from it. And all you have to do is pour a little cup. Something also that's fantastic about this, you get all your nutrients and it's only like 10 calories a serving. I don't think a glass of orange juice is going to beat that, right? But yeah, the high potency of this, the doctor formulation, the formulation in the United States, which means a lot to me, the non-GMO, the vegan, all the GMP certified facilities and everything associated with this make it the best of the best. So I started taking it because I wanted my heart health to improve. I'm in my 40s, I'm almost 45, and I want to still be able to go out there and box, and I still want to train, I still want to look good, and I still want to feel good, and I want my skin to be healthy. So my heart health and my circulation were important to me. There's a lot of people for a lot of reasons that need to improve their circulation. There's a lot of people that want to boost their metabolism, maybe cut that extra fat. Well, a good way to do that is thanks to Dr. Kara, KaraMD, Revive Reds. Go ahead, pick yours up. You absolutely will not be disappointed. As Watson says, you're gonna love it. I only show you products I actually love, I own, I use, and I think you're gonna love. Well, guess what? If you are interested in improving your health, then go ahead. This is the product for you. All right, thanks again, folks. I'm Adam. Elite Demonstrations. We only show you the best of the best. You can forget the rest. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. Ah.